Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer BNB from Binance to Exmo in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, let's break it down so you can get it done in no time. First off, make sure you have verified accounts on both Binance and Exmo. These platforms might have updated their interfaces by 2025, so always check for any new security features. Start by logging into your Exmo account. Head to the wallet section, select BNB, and copy your unique wallet address. This is super important. Double-check it to avoid any mix-ups. Next, switch over to Binance. Log in securely and navigate to the Wallet or Funds tab. Look for the Withdraw option and click it. Now, search for BNB in the asset list. Once you select it, paste the wallet address you copied from Exmo into the designated field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees, which could vary in 2025 based on blockchain updates. Before you hit confirm, verify all the details one more time. You'll likely need to go through a two-factor authentication, 2FA, step for added security. Once confirmed, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain. Sit tight. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's processed, log back into Exmo and check your BNB balance to ensure everything arrived safely. If you encounter any issues, contact customer support on either platform. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always stay cautious. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Let's keep learning together.